track, and now there's another reason to reach that conclusion. The federal government reported today that when it comes to infant mortality rates, which are a crucial indicator of healthcare success, the United States now ranks behind 28 other industrialized nations, including countries with socialized healthcare systems, such as Canada and the United Kingdom. Joining us with the details of the report is NBC News science correspondent Robert Bazell. And Bob, did the U.S. rate get worse, or are these other countries simply improving at a faster pace?
Well, no, the U.S. rate has been getting much worse. In 1960, we had the 12th lowest birth rate, the infant death mortality rate in the United States. In 2000, it was the 23rd, and now, 2004, the latest year for which data are available, we're 29. This is really a horrible situation. I think it's just a terrible shame for the United States. The infant mortality is, as you pointed out, one of the prime indicators of the success of a nation in public health. And if we can't get an infant mortality rate that's not anywhere near the top, it really shows you the effect of the 49 million Americans who are uninsured and all the other deficits that get talked about so much in our healthcare system. Because most of these cases happen because people don't have access to medical care. They don't get, a lot of women don't get proper prenatal care, and as a result they end up having babies who are terribly ill and pass away.
The judge, John McCain, was rated the worst U.S. senator for the year 2007 by the Children's Defense Fund. The rating was based on 10 key votes. One was education, specifically the Head Start program, the early childhood education program. Despite telling a Cincinnati group during this campaign season that he would, quote, be glad to fully fund Head Start, his voting record shows his consistent opposition to it. He's voted against increased funding for Head Start 4 times over the past 11 years. Well, how about health insurance for kids? Surely that is a Main Street issue at a time of economic worry. Senator McCain has consistently voted to limit the number of children eligible to be covered under the state children's health insurance program, SCHIP. He most recently voted against reauthorizing the program for 5 years, and he supported President Bush's veto of that expansion. How about minimum wage? Well, McCain has voted 19 times against Democratic attempts to raise the minimum wage.